Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with another haul. I'm also going to be sharing the Posy Party kit. It is the Ulta New / Pink Fresh Studio collab retreat. So I'm going to show that too. Let's start off with Hello Bluebird. So I love Hello Bluebird. They are very well priced. Their dies are extremely well priced. So if you're looking for dies, I highly recommend Hello Bluebird. They have amazing dies and they are really reasonable. So from the new release, I did get this one, which is this cute little acorn. Let's see, I'm going to sneeze in a second. All right, so I hope I don't have these. If I do, they'll go in a de-stash, but I feel like I might have one of them. But they had a clearance sale. It was from 30 to 60% off. Most of what I bought, I think, was 50% off, maybe 60. I love this. I love the little guy with the books, and it's called Fall Friends. And I got the die. And then this one right here, which is called Park Play, and the die. And then this one right here, I don't know what this one's called, but this is like a square. I love it. It's cute. This is one I might have, but this mountain die, it's a slim line. And then this one right here, it's great if you have a bunch of critters, which I do. And then this one, which is all of these really great sea sentiments, and then the dies, and then this foliage die. All right, and then Love from Lizzie. So I haven't really bought anything from them because they are I think it's UK company, and so the shipping is usually prohibitive, but they had a special, so you might want to look for Black Friday or anything like that, where just their strips, if you bought at least 30 of them, you got free shipping. So I did. So these are just great little strips that you can put on your card. I mostly bought silver and gold and like white. So just ones that I thought I would use. I did buy a couple of interesting colors, but mostly I stuck with sort of more typical colors. And I've been sneezing. So these are great if you can get a deal on them, but I'll show how to use them in an upcoming video, or a video, don't know when. I just remember I have them, but yeah. So you can see all my colors are mostly very basic, so that, you know, I can use them. So the Pink Fresh Studio / Ulta New Posy Party Mix Kit. It came in just a bag. So this is what, so basically you got a kit from Ulta New and a kit from Pink Fresh Studio. So for Pink Fresh Studio, we got this one, which is this Best Wishes stamp, and die, and stencil, and these cardstock sticker sentiments. And then we got these gems, which I'm loving. Okay, and then Ulta New. We got the Lovely Camellias 3D embossing folder. And we got the Lovely Camellias stamp set, and then the stencil, and then the die. which I love the die because also it cuts out all the sentiments, and then the stamp conditioning eraser set. So that is what we got in Posy. I can't remember how much I paid for that. I know one of the classes I got, I want to say it's Posy and Comfort, the last one. I got it for a steal, so I bought it right away. And so that was in the kit. And so, you know, I'm behind, of course, on all of my retreats. So that's all going to happen, you know. I'm going to do it when I can do it. Right now, I'm behind. So I'm working really hard to get caught up, but I've got other projects I've got to do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Sandy Crane with the Heart.